Hi Clubhouse family, I'm Erin with this week's Science and Tech News. A new mystery in Australia was discovered recently, bringing about talks of fairy circles. For many years, the origin of the fairy circles puzzled researchers and scientists, with findings in Africa as well as Australia. Fairy circles are circular barren patches in the dry grasslands and were once thought to only exist in the Namib Desert in Namibia, Africa. The scientists discovered a similar pattern of circles in the remote outback of Australia about 2 years ago. This now helps scientists understand these structures a bit better after extensive research on African and Australian landscape. The research findings indicate that the fairy circles came about from grasses self-organizing themselves in this pattern as a response to scarce water. The conclusion of the discovery also included similar patterns exist in remote, dry areas of Earth and were located in arid areas of Africa, Australia, and parts of North America. We all love Jurassic Park, but what if a real-life Jurassic Park existed in your backyard? A discovery was announced that the genes of a chick could be manipulated to lengthen its legs to dinosaur-like proportions. No need to go and hide just yet, as these dino-chickens have yet to hatch as research continues to develop. Dino-chickens can come about by inhibiting early maturation of a leg from a chicken's embryo. The leg then reverts to the shape that is like one of a dinosaur legs. Scientists have now come up with a theory that tells the early stages of embryo development, in which a chick's fibula might resemble that of a dinosaur than its parent's chicken if the shape is maintained. Research concluded that the development of the chicken's short fibula was being stopped in its usual growth patterns by an identifiable gene named the Indian hedgehog gene. After extensive research, it was determined that when they halted the work of this Indian hedgehog gene, the researchers saw a chicken embryo with longer, spiny legs that resembled the body of a dinosaur, which means there may be a form of relation between dinosaur and chicken. Birds of a feather really do flock together, as pigeons are now used to help track some of the air pollution in the London sky. Recently, a small flock of pigeons were strapped with pollution-sensing backpacks and sent out into the skies of London for 3 days to monitor the air pollution levels. The company Plume Labs helped create the Pigeon Patrol, which produces air quality reports for London. Air pollution can be a serious problem for your health, and with this new discovery, scientists hope they can track how the pollution is affecting the London residents and hope to create new ways they can fix the problem.
They measure levels of nitrogen dioxide and ozone, the main gases behind harmful urban air pollution.
The Bermuda Triangle has caused a lot of mystery through recent years, but a recent discovery may have solved this puzzling problem. A recent finding indicates that large craters may exist on the seafloor in the west-central Barents Sea and creates enormous blowouts of gas. The crater area represents one of the largest hotspots for shallow marine methane release in the Arctic. The gas blowouts from the craters are said to be the explanation of sinking ships in the areas of Puerto Rico, Miami, and the Bermuda. Although research is still being done to determine the causes and effects of the Bermuda Triangle, this will hopefully give scientists an inside explanation of a mystery that has yet to be fully solved.